Hi guys, you're welcome back to another video on the Day Tech channel. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix mouse double clicking issue for every single click on Windows 11. Now, if you notice that whenever you make a random single click on Windows, your mouse get to do some double clicks once in a while. Now, this simple issue can easily get in the way of your workflow, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. Now, the first thing to do is to come to the search box down here, and then you want to search for min.cpl and then click on enter. And right on this dialog box, you'd want to make sure that you slower your mouse a little bit. If it's fast or it's towards the right, you'd want to make it slower a little bit. You can put it on maybe the fourth or the fifth pin. And once you're done that, come to the pointer options tab right here and make sure that enhance pointer precision is selected, and click on apply and also click on OK. Alright, so once you have done that, the next thing is to come to your file explorer and click on this horizontal ellipsis menu and click on options. And right here, you'd want to make sure that double click to open an item under the general tab is selected. Double click to open an item, single click to select. So once that has been done, you'd make sure to click on apply and click on OK to close the dialog. Now the next thing you'd want to do is to come to the start menu, right click on it, and then click on device manager. And on the dialog box, you'd want to go to mice and other pointing devices. Alright, so under mice and pointing devices, just go ahead and select the compliant mouse and then right click on it and click on uninstall device. So as soon as you uninstall, your mouse gets frozen and you're going to use your keyboard to complete the process. Now the next thing you'd want to do is to press the Alt key plus F4 button on your keyboard, and then you can use the down arrow on your keyboard to go to restart and click on OK.
So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and I'll see you on the next one.